Hi, John.
Hey, what's up, Eric?
Well, I truly believe I'm here to make a fool of myself.
Okay, well, we'll show you how it's done. Okay, how you guys doing? I'm John Gibbons. Welcome to Blown Out of Proportion. We've got Eric Hollenbeck here. He is a Humboldt County native and a veteran and the star of the Magnolia series restoration show, The Craftsman. So, are you excited about blowing glass for the first time?
Boy, I can't tell you. I really, John, can't. This is a 40-year dream for me.
Oh, cool.
I have been studying glass for as long as I can remember, for as long as I've had Blue Ox, 50 years. Oh man, this is just so exciting to me.
Right on. Well, we were going to start small and just do a little cup.
Okay.
Because you'll find out, you know, it's challenging.
It's challenging.
It's challenging.
I am totally ready to make a fool of myself.
All right, well, let's get started. All right, here you go. Come down low like that.
Okay.
And rotate, yeah.
Okay, okay. Come on.
There you go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're doing it.
Okay, go ahead, lift it off and rest it on the rail over there. It's coming, keep going. Okay, that's good. Okay, cool, you got one. Look at that, you did it. Okay, so, yeah, just
sag
keep it
a little bit, so you can kind of keep it in the middle by letting it sag just a hair.
Exactly. You kind of like, you let the high side fall on the center. All right, let's see. Why don't you take a seat?
Yes, sir.
And I'll bring it to you.
That's the old military training. You do what you're told. Or you had to blow hard, because I think I let it get cold or something, or cooled, and then you gotta, yeah.
Okay, so go ahead, grab that block, and you're gonna rotate it with this hand. Yeah, so you wanna like push and pull. So you just kind of want it to rest in there.
Okay, yeah, I see it. I got to get it more centered. Yep.
Okay, take that block away and just, here, put it in the bucket. Here, I'll hold it for you. And you blow. Okay, that's good, that's good. Here, I'll pull this close to you. No, here, this one.
Nope.
And so you want to start nice and gentle as you rotate. There you go. Let's stick it back in the heat and we'll get it hot again.
And this one?
Yeah. As you hang it back to the bench, hang it down, just at a 45. There you go. Now go ahead and take a seat as you're, yeah, you got it, you're a pro. There you go, keep it turning.
No.
Okay, there you go. Set those jacks down, let it fall on the center. Okay, cool.
I don't want it to move though.
Well, you just want to keep that turning.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let it get a little bit cold, and then we're just gonna heat the bottom. So let that high side fall on the center, right there, yeah.
It's pretty straight now.
Yeah, it's looking good.
For a beginner, this is...
It's not bad. Okay, so go ahead, take it back to the bench. Yeah. And then, yeah, you can use that, and then rotate as you're pushing.
Do I need to put water on this?
No, you're good. Okay, that's good. Stop right there. Okay, so let me see it real quick. You always want to put this like little dent in the bottom, because then it sits on a nice flat ring.
Okay, yeah,
okay,
of course,
cool.
the same as turning.
Right.
Exactly the same as turning.
Have a little concave.
Get some concave so that you can...
Okay, so I'm going to get you the punty, but I just need you to go in there and flash it for like 2-3 seconds and then come back. Okay, here I come. So we're gonna stick that up.
So what he's doing is sticking this
All right,
on
go ahead and
right
let go
now.
of the pipe. I'll grab that pipe for you.
You see what just happened? He broke it!
Stand up. Hold on, you gotta stand up and heat that lip. Maybe an inch deeper. Real gentle, there you go. Now stick one of the blades of the jacks in there and push down while you rotate. There you go.
Man, it's like clay. It's like
Okay, pull that blade out, and then here, try holding them like this, like you're gonna stab, like that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Set these down
maybe just
and go
a
get
little
some more
heat,
heat.
huh?
Keep it turning.
Okay, I'll get it. Oh.
Okay, cool. Let's put it back in the heat.
Boy, now it's really movable. Can I push that down a little bit? There. I think that looks cool for me.
Yeah, that's cool.
By the time I've had a couple of beers, it's perfect. I think that's great. I think we did it.
I think I'm gonna go fire polish that bottom for you. There we go. Get in here. Sweet.
So we did it.
We did it. We did it.
I
Good job,
did it.
dude.
I have my drunk beer cup. It's perfect. Perfect. This is an art form. Can I tell you something? Can I tell you folks out there that art is like a winter coat, big winter jacket. You don't have to have it to stay alive, but it sure makes the old north wind a whole lot more bearable. And that's what you guys are producing. This is an art form.
Thanks, man.
This is, you just saw it. I'm pretty good with my hands. And I came out all cattywampus. It works perfect for me, but what I'm saying is what these guys and gals are doing here is, this is an art form.
Yeah.
And it makes our lives better and richer.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a little music in the background.
A little music in life, exactly.
Eric, how you doing?
Good, John. How are you?
Good.
Good to see you.
Thanks so much for coming to our little glass blowing
That was
extravaganza.
so much fun for me.
Cool. You guys your first time doing it?
Yeah, ever. And I've wanted to. I told you that's been my dream for years.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, here, let me show you what you made here.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at it. I did okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. For my first time ever.
First time, yeah. You might have to build a glass studio over here.
I really want to do that, John. Really much.
That'd be cool.
And it's amazing how smooth everything is. It's like a real glass.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember you were doing it. Like, I could tell, like, you've handled tools, because some people, they've never touched tools and they just don't know how to use their hands. But you were like, oop, you did it. So that's cool.
And there was a point, remember, where I saw it sag.
Uh-huh.
And I was trying to push it back up, but without knowing the medium.
Yeah. It's kind of frozen.
But I got it a little bit
frozen in stone.
Can I put it right there? Look at that. Yeah, man. What fun I had.
Yeah, right on.
What fun I had.
Right on.
Thanks so much.
Be sure to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to watch next time for
Blown Out of Proportion.